Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. We have a series of new lights in. This is the Streamlight Protac Railmount HLX Pro, part number 88128. So this version includes just the light, the M-LOK, the Allen wrench to install the M-LOK, and two CR123 batteries. So I'm going to get rid of these items here so we can get straight to the light. But before I continue on with the battery installation, make sure to subscribe, like, and share right now. That really helps us out a lot, and it alerts you to new products, which we're getting some new products in February that are going to be very exciting. These are items being announced this week at the 2024 SHOT Show in Las Vegas. You will for sure want to subscribe. To install the batteries, we're going to simply unscrew the tail switch, which they are calling the jack cap, and we're going to get to that here in just a minute. We're going to take our CR123 batteries. We're going to install those with the positive side down first into the light. And we're going to carefully reinstall the tail switch, making sure that we do not strip it. It's very easy to do that. You'll know right away, so you want to be very careful installing that. And as you can see, that red seal, we want to make sure to tighten this all the way down until it completely stops. Not just when it starts to get firm, but when it completely stops. Otherwise, the light will not function. To operate the light, you're going to simply press the switch halfway for momentary. So once I release my finger, it's going to turn off. This is on high at 1,000 lumens. If you press all the way through until it clicks, it's now permanently on, and you can remove your finger and the light will continue to stay on. If you press that again, it obviously turns off. If I press halfway 2 times quickly, this will turn the strobe on. So 1, 2, strobe comes on, I release my finger and it turns off. If I press all the way through on the second press, so 1, 2, the strobe comes on and it stays on permanently until you press the switch again. Now what makes this the Pro model is, again, we go back to the jack cap, and we have the button, and we also have the plug that you can use to install a pressure switch. And all you have to do is plug it straight in. This is not like some of the previous models where you have to remove the entire tail switch and reinstall another tail switch with the pressure pad. All you have to do, again, is plug directly into the jack cap. To program the light for some other settings, you're going to use Streamlight's 10 tap feature. So I'm going to press the button halfway 10 times quickly. I'm going to hold on the 10th time, and the high beam will come on, turn off, and the light will be programmed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It turns off. Now, if I press this, it comes on high like normal, but if I go 2 times, there is no strobe, so this feature turns the strobe off. If I do that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I'm holding, it turns to the low setting, so when I press the button, it's low first. If I do 2 times quickly, then it goes to high, and again, no strobe. And if I do that one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the strobe comes on, turns off, and it's now back to factory settings. The price on these are listed in the description below, but if you use code YT10 at checkout, that's going to get you 10% off and free shipping. Again, make sure to subscribe to be alerted for those new products coming out very, very soon. Other discount codes, specials, and other how-to videos. Thank you for watching. PremiumSelectSupplies.com.